Hello gamer. Today I will show you how to replace the old, broken headband cushion cover of your HyperX Cloud headphones. There are two options. In the hardcore option, you buy a new HyperX Cloud replacement cover and disassemble the headphone completely to replace it. If you're lucky, you replace the headband and don't break your headphones. If you're having a bad day, you break also your headphones. The other is the chill option, so that's what I'm going to show you today, how to change an old headband. Before that, you need to buy a universal replacement headband protector with zipper. The link is in the video description. As you can see, these HyperX Cloud head cushion are already old and worn out. Put on top of the old headband the new replacement headband, position it so that it is where the old headband starts. Then carefully close the zipper, but without breaking it. Before the end, put the puller underneath, so that it is not visible, and close the zipper all the way to the end. Then hang the new headband cushion, so that it sits in the new place. I like the way it looks, quick and easy old cushion replace. Plus it cost less than $5. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Good gaming.